Okay. Hey everyone, again, thanks for joining. Um, this is kind of a recording session, so that also we can share this recording for other people. A little bit about me. So maybe after this, you'll get some time to introduce yourself for the others to join someday soon. Okay, what about this? This Army of Agentforce Freelancers, I'm trying to extrapolate my thoughts in a very open-ended way to invite people join me. I'm also kind of a content creator, an entrepreneur, and innovator, a technology person. So I try to connect the dots from various angles. I've been um, trying to start up and launch startups since 2011. So it's been about like 10, 15 years. Now, so it's like another opportunity we have, right? We have this Agent Force superpower. Okay. So these days, I'm also creating a lot of content. I'm also kind of learning to build agents and also trying to think where this agent might be helpful in my own business use cases, also for the industry. So when I'm talking about Army, what I'm saying is that I want to work with people like you to hypothesize, let's say, POCs for the industry and actually maybe build POCs, build videos, build content and share with them. So like for example, why is Amazon not building an agent yet, right? In on their own platform where it is available for sellers. I'm a seller on Amazon, but I don't have an agent for me to help myself yet, right? They might be building already. So I'm thinking, one second. हाँ दादाजी हाँ okay. Yeah, I'm here. So this is kind of a great opportunity, and I'm looking for friends. Just that. Um, Please introduce yourself, and let's see who let's kind of create content for the others.
Yeah, my name is Anirban Malik. I'm currently based in Auckland, New Zealand, and I'm working as a solution architect in Salesforce for last 3.5 years. And then recently, from last year, end of last year, I started, learning uh, the AI features of Salesforce platform, and then tried those trailhead kind of project to understand the concept, and then uh, similarly, like for few clients we have not done the actual project, but yeah, we have some thoughts of how can we implement, and then at that point actually the agent force was not a thing. It just before that, and then this year again I started looking into to understand how to build an agent, and then this hackathon has started. So I'm participating in that and to build something and learn something. Yeah, so that is where like I found your post in just in Slack, or I was just trying to ask something that one issue I'm facing with the that hackathon. But then I thought like yeah, maybe it will be an opportunity to learn and do something which will be interesting. Maybe, I mean, if we can implement that solution for a real client, then it's better. But otherwise, also there is nothing to lose. So that is why they just connected
Yeah.
with you and see if we can, yeah, learn something together.
Awesome. So we are kind of the most curious of humanity, right? We know where the humanity is going, evolving
Mm,
fast, right? So,
mm.
okay. If so, did you check out the Notion page also? It was connected in the chat thread.
Yeah, I logged in there, and then uh, Yeah.
So I'm saying, I mean, anyway, what I'm saying is that I wrote down I'm trying to draft a common theme for the people to um, join on this platform, on this kind of a army, what I'm trying to hypothesize. So let me maybe share my screen, okay?
Yep.
It will be kind of, so I'm just trying to bring everyone on the same page, right? Let's see if people are able to understand what I'm thinking. So it's like a thing I've learned in my career that over communication maybe is like very necessary thing. So I'll share my screen. I'll share my screen. I'll share my screen for. Yeah. Let's see. Yes. So you see the screen?
Yeah. Yeah. It's coming up.
Okay. So it's like a thought. I just opened it for everyone on the internet. And 5, 6 people already gave their names. This is a tweet link which I started with as a random thought. So I linked it here. I'm trying to define this army in a maybe new way. So this is like a AI generated definition, and I would like to the people in the team to add their comments and thoughts so that we can personalize it from here now. But in short, I'm trying to experiment, and it's all about experimentation. What we have learned from technology and a lot of things, right? As well as documented evolution of iterations of the processes, right? So it's like a lot of things at the same place. I'm also trying to define the services we can provide to the industry, right? So this is like again an open ground. I'm saying while we are building a team, we'll also define the services we can provide, and I'm starting to think about helping the POCs, right? Then others can request their services from here. That's a raw thought again. And I can try to define a question here. Here I'm already I've been doing it in for my other services. I've been providing on the LinkedIn page as an evangelist. But of course, so it's like a process I can define for the people looking for services, right? Uh, then who are our target clients? It's again very clear, defined requirement here because of course, who are we doing it for? And I can also add services in that maybe like a learning process. If you can teach me, I want to learn. Maybe you can pay me from here also, right? It's like a community connecting for everyone else. Then again, I'm talking about creating content. So there's a lot of whole kind of a system I'm trying to build, and I would like you to share your thoughts about anything you see on this document.
Yeah. Yeah. I'll go through that and then see.
Sure, of course. So I mean, so it's like a async communication thing which we have been doing in our corporate culture. We share the document, we let the team explore that and share the comments. And I loved how it started. Let's see how it goes, where we can make generate value and make things for the industry. We are the leading.
So, yeah, no, so I mean this part I'm clear, like we'll create some POC kind of application then then let's say we are publishing it to YouTube or in any other LinkedIn, those type of social platform. But then how we are going to sell it, like if we want to see, okay, this is a concept, and then this can be implemented can be implemented for a real customer. Then what is your thought, like how you're going to approach or find those opportunities where this can be really implemented? I mean, do you have something in your mind, or that is also something when you figure out?
Okay, I recently learned the concept called funnels. It's a kind of a funnel where I'm trying to create content for the industry. folks like myself, of course, who are ahead of me and behind me. So when there's a funnel, the funnel needs a goal. Of course, the goal is to generate revenue, and if possible, innovate for the industry. So I create content, I build POCs for the industry, and if it is useful, if it makes sense, I'm hypothesizing that it can travel a lot of places automatically to the people, right? So, but of course, when I am talking about creating this system of iterations, I'm also talking about outbound reaching out to the clients, right? I'm talking about actually building the right tools for just someone who's right there, right? So let's say Amazon, I have the solution for them. Why not actually build and show it to someone who can take a decision? Or maybe reach out to small businesses in my town. I have in India, I'm in Delhi. One of my friends recently got their first website built after maybe like 5-10 years of running an offline business. So people don't even have business websites here. They don't even know what is an agent. So if we build for them, it's like a magical thing for them, of course, right? um, Maybe you want to like talk to the camera. I'll take your call. 1 second. You see, the delivery boys still call me to share deliveries. So it's like a industry where the tools are required, um, and we of course can build them for them. Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah. So just maybe we can try to keep it short so that people don't find it like a um, challenging thing to scroll through this video. Um, we'll try to keep these sessions short, and we'll keep inviting people so that you know we can find more people who match our frequencies.
Yep.
So again, if you want me to talk about maybe kind of the use case I'm already thinking about, so as I said, um, I can pitch it to the local businesses in my localities. I also
Yeah.
have my own business in the name of three mistakes of my life.in. This is my recent business experiment where I'm trying to define something for the parents, um very specifically, which is kind of a product for my own self also, because I'm also a parent. I've been thinking about this project since last 3 years, and I have a goal for 2032. So I'm kind of working on a very goal-oriented way, but in a slow iterating format. I'm not hurrying up. I'm not. I know there's no option to give up. So
Mm.
I have my own thoughts of building my own agents and for the industry. That's why I'm trying to build this army, and let's see how it goes. I'm ready to collaborate with anyone who's interested.
Yep. Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's really fine. Yeah. I mean, if you have some use case in mind, then definitely, we can do that and then see like whether that has some potential to, further I mean implementing it
Yeah.
for the real client and then see how it goes. Yeah.
So I'll stop this recording now.
Yep.